Hi children, shall we do some more addition of one digit numbers? And here we are going to draw lines. Single digit addition we are doing. So every number you get, you draw small lines and then you count them. Okay? Very interesting because when you draw line, you'll remember better the addition. Look, let's look at our first sum. I hope you'll enjoy it, drawing tiny lines with your pencil, counting, adding. Look at the sum you have. 6 plus 3. What is given to you? You're asked to add 6, number 6 plus 3. Good. Now, what did I tell you? We are going to do single digit addition. We are going to draw lines. Now, look at the number 6. Take a tiny pencil and draw 6 lines here. Look, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now draw in your book 6 lines. Good. Now, let's take the next number. 6 we finished. Plus 3. Let's draw 3 lines just next to the number. 1, 2, and one more. 1, 2, 3. So we drew 6 lines for number 6, 3 for 3 lines for number 3. Yes, now you touch every line. Count. What is 6 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. What did you get? 9. What is 6 plus 3? 9. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Isn't it interesting? Drawing tiny line next to the number, counting them all, you get your answer. So 6 plus 3 is 9. You like this method? Good. Shall we take another sum? Good. Look, you have here 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? You know what is 1 plus 1? Still, we draw the line. 1. You draw a line here, plus 1. You draw another line here. Now, touch the line. 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2. So we write the number 2 here. What is 1 plus 1? 2. You feel good when you draw the line. Okay, one line is here, another line is here. 1 plus 1, 2. Did you enjoy? Good. Addition by drawing tiny lines. Let's take a new sum. What do we have? 4 plus 2. You are given 4 plus 2. Okay, let's take 4 and draw 4 tiny lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines did you draw? 4 lines in your book. Good. Take the next number, 2. Draw 2 tiny lines. Good. 1, 2. Now touch the lines and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5, 6. What did you get? 6. What is 4 plus 2? 6. What is 4 plus 2? 6. Number 6. So you put the answer down here. 4 plus 2 is 6. Did you enjoy? Let's take another sum. Draw the line, add them to find the answer. What's the sum given to you? There's number 5 here plus number 3. What is 5 plus 3? Let's draw 5 lines over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. And we drew 5 tiny lines. Did you draw? Good. Now let's take the next number. Number 3. Draw 3 tiny lines here. 1, 2, and 3. Now what do we do? Count them all. You have 5 here. 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 5 plus 3? 8. And you write the answer down here. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Number 5 plus number 3 is number 8 is the answer. Did you enjoy? Let's get on with another new sum. Yes? Look what's given to you. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Okay, let's draw two tiny lines over here. You do the same. 1, 2. Very good. Okay, we have another 2 here. 2 plus 2. Now, let's draw two tiny lines in this box. 1, 2. Now count. 1, 2. After 2, 3, 4. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2, 4. The answer is 4. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take a new sum now. Yes? And enjoy drawing tiny lines, count, and adding the single digits. What is given to you? Number 4 plus number 3. What is 4 plus 3? Let's take 4, draw 4 tiny lines here. You do the same. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now you have plus 3 here. Let's draw 3 lines over here. 1, 2, 3. Now what do we do? Count the lines that you have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 4 plus 3? Number 7. What is 4 plus 3? 7. Plus 3 is 7. Did you enjoy? Let's take another new sum. Draw the tiny lines, count and find the answer. Look at the sum. There's number 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? Let's draw 4 tiny lines here. You do the same over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you draw 4 lines? Good. In the next box, let's draw one single line. 1. Now count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5. What is 4 plus 1? 5. What is 4 plus 1? Number 5. What is your answer? Number 5. What is 4 plus 1? 5. 4 plus 1? 5. Did you enjoy? Let's take a new sum. Draw a tiny line and find the answer. See what is given to you. 2 single digits. 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? Let's draw 2 tiny lines in this box. And you do the same. 1, 2. Good. And next is plus 1. So we draw a tiny line in this box. Good. Now count them all. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is 2 plus 1? 3. What is your answer? Number 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Did you enjoy single digit addition, drawing tiny lines? Good. Shall we take another sum? Okay. Good. What is given to you? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. Okay, let's draw a single line here. Good. Now, can you draw any line here? No, because there's no number. It is 0. What is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is 1 itself, because nothing here, just 1. What's your answer? 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Did you enjoy? Good.